Moving on, Tata Limited Kenya has partnered with local banks to lower lending rates for procurement of vehicles to potential clients. The vehicle manufacturing company has rolled out a credit facility initiative to empower business people in the transport industry in order for them to own vehicles that will lease their operation.
In the deal, clients are to initially meet the 5% cost of each vehicle, while 95% of the costs will be paid by the banks. For business people who would not meet the requirements, the company will finance them through its alliance subsidiary of up to 80% of the vehicle's total cost. During a sensitization session by the company's sales manager Michael Oroko in Kisii town, the participants were assured of the value of investment on the affordable but competitive 5-year guarantee credit facility.
As you can be able to see on the banner, up to 95% financing, which is a good thing to customers. So when it comes to in terms of financing, we've got a company called Alliance Finance for those people, for those traders who might not wish to go through the commercial banks. You can always walk into our offices, talk to us, and be able to get financing of up to 80% financing.
According to the manager, the company will initiate a dealership networking in the East African region for ease of access of the products by the consumers. Oroko also disclosed on the opening of a service center by the company in Kisii town, geared towards cutting down maintenance and transportation costs for its products.
And basically, we've been able to take in your feedback about maybe basically bringing a service center in Kisii, something that we will work on and maybe bring it on board as soon as possible.
Reporting for Lunchtime News, my name is Hibak Said.